We start with 1 hour chart. If we refer to our analysis in my last video, when the price was here, we mentioned exactly within this move, we mentioned we can expect the price to go as one more drop. As we can see, the price drop. And even if we put this one in relative to the previous low, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. And as well, here, I mean, based on MACD, we don't have a divergence, almost near to the previous low, okay? The only thing is this, the indicators will show us a divergence. Right now, we get this one. The only way to trade for this, the only way was to trade based on for this based on lower time frame, 15 minutes. I don't know whether the traders managed to take the trade or not, okay? But anyway, if anyone, still we can look for the next trade if there is a reversal. If there is a continuation with the flag, with the short move flag, we can look for the trade. And even in my last video mentioned, if we want to have entry above this, we can put a bit higher. This is what we put, okay? And the reason is we will, if in case the price sharply reverse, we can look for the trade. But if this one continues as a corrective move, we are not going to look for the trade. And the reason is we put, I mean, the reason is we put the entry above the top in case there was a reversal as a sharp move. And what we want the price break and continue. Not the if the price tag this is not moving within the first or second hours, we take the trade. No, it depends on the traders whether they want to maintain the as where it is or they shift to the both this closer. Okay. Anyway, if we get any reversal, any trade setup from now, we'll look for trade. And if we move to daily chart, uh, the only thing is we're looking for reversal. The only okay, and even if we move to forward chart, we mentioned how we can look for trade. We either this is the only correction and this is the start of the reversal, or we can put these two relative to each other for one more drop. I'm not going into the details. If anyone wants to know what I'm talking, whether it is a 3 waves or five waves, they can refer to my last analysis. But anyway, if we get any trade setup with the breakout of this top, we need to see whether there is a continuation or not. Because the question is whether this one can turn to a correction for the relative to this after the breakout for one more drop, or we can expect this is the after the breakout of the previous top, we can look for continuation. Okay. Anyway, as I mentioned, traders can refer to my last analysis for more information. And right now, we're looking for trade setup. Okay, any trade setup with the breakout of the previous desktop we start to manage. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.